Hey everyone, welcome to your first step into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. If you're here, you're probably curious about how to start investing in crypto. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, it operates on a technology called blockchain, which is decentralized and transparent. Think of it as a giant ledger, but instead of being controlled by one entity, it's maintained by a network of computers. Now, before you jump in, let's talk about setting up your foundation. Every journey needs the right tools. The first step is to choose a cryptocurrency wallet. There are two main types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online and convenient, ideal for daily transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and more secure, perfect for long-term storage. Popular wallets include Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Ledger Nano S. Choose one based on your needs and security preferences. Next, you need to pick a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of exchanges as the marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, look for one with a good reputation, strong security measures, and user-friendly interfaces. Sign up, complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification, and you're good to go. All right, now to the fun part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but there are thousands of other coins known as altcoins. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Cardano are a few examples. Start by researching the coins you're interested in. Understand their use cases, the team behind them, and their market potential. Remember, knowledge is power here. Once you've done your research, it's time to make your first purchase. Decide how much you're willing to invest. A good rule of thumb is to start small. Use dollar cost averaging, which means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals to reduce the impact of market volatility. It's a great way to dip your toes in without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's talk about risks. Like any investment, cryptocurrency comes with its own set of risks. Prices can be extremely volatile. It's crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments to spread out your risk. And this one's important. Never let emotions drive your decisions. The market can be a roller coaster, but staying calm and informed will help you ride out the turbulence. Lastly, stay updated. The crypto world moves fast. Follow reliable news sources, join communities, and keep learning. Twitter, Reddit, and dedicated crypto news sites can be gold mines of information. So there you have it, a quick guide to starting your crypto journey. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and mindset, you'll be well on your way. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Take it one step at a time, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and guides. See you next time.